Hi friends, my name is Achut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this video we will learn how to how to write a program on the high sum and low sum. So the condition is if sum is greater than or equal to 100, then we have to print high sum, or otherwise we have to print low sum. So let us write this program. So we have to import java.util.star. So scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in, and let us take two inputs. Int n1 is equal to sc.nextInt. Int n2 is equal to sc.nextInt. So let's take int result is equal to n1 plus n2. So we have taken the result variable, and the whatever the values which we get from n1 and n2 we are adding, and we are storing in the result variable. So we will write if condition, simple if condition. So if result is greater than or equal to 100, then it should be the high sum. System.out.println high sum. Else system.out.println low sum. So we got an error. We have to use semicolon. After every statement, we have to use semicolon, otherwise we will get error. So there were no errors. So first of all, we'll give two inputs. So 50 and 50. So 50 plus 50, 100. So it will print high sum because our sum is equal to 100. So here the condition is our sum should be greater than 100 or equal to 100. So it should be equal to 100 or greater than or 100. Like it should be greater than 100. So it is equal to 100, right? So this condition is satisfying. So this statement will be executed. So printing high sum. Let us run again. So the first input is 4, second input is 90. So 90 plus 4, 94. So which is less than 100. So it will print low sum. So I hope you got it how to write the program high sum and low sum using simple if and else conditions. So if you like this video, please like it, and please subscribe it, and please share it. And if you want more videos of mine, please ring the bell icon. Thank you, friends.